All right, let's start from here, and I'm gonna keep modifying this code to adding more functions to it. So now, what I'm gonna do is I will change this back. So it's moving, it's going forward, right? So there's no room to keep going back. And same to this guy. So for this test, I'm trying to make the Sphero boat moving faster by changing the acceleration rate. So which means after the first line is being executed, the second one is being executed, then it's gonna start into the loop and running like this, right? So it's gonna keep adding a number to a variable and changing the speed. So, but right now I'm using a pretty low rate, which means every time it loops, sweep over this line, it's gonna just add one single value to this variable, and so the speed is not changing too fast. So what I'm trying to do is I'm gonna change the speed in an even higher rate, so which means the acceleration will be even higher. And you will see that it's gonna speed up really quickly. So let's change it to, for example, 8. And now let's take a look. It's gonna run way faster than before. All right, so it's running faster. And now let's bring it back. The same principle. -1 and -8. Start. Okay. So that's how you can modify the acceleration rate. But here's the problem, because we have to, be really be careful to not let the Sphero boat hit the wall or hit the window or any obstacle in the front or on the back. So we couldn't control that. So the only way we can control that is just to press the stop button on the touch screen, which is not ideal. So what I'm trying to do is I'm going to use to make the Sphero boat smarter, and I'm going to add a control unit in there to keep checking the speed. Whenever it's getting too fast, I'm going to stop the Sphero boat, and do not make it even faster, because everything is not predictable, and we don't know what's going to happen if it's running too fast, right? So we just want to stop at a certain speed. And I'm going to show you how to do it in the next video.